love this Keto & Co. cake mix. This is the vanilla flavor, 1.8 grams of net carbs, and makes 9 servings. This one is made with coconut flour. So just letting y'all know. And all we need, it's super easy, 4 large eggs, 6 tablespoons of butter, and half a teaspoon of cider vinegar. You want to make sure not to over mix your batter. I've got my spatula here and I'm just scraping down the sides of the mixing bowl and making sure that everything is well combined. And then we'll transfer our batter to the cupcake layers. Ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes.